Hello friend, now we learn the chamfer, round and cell command. So first draw the any one part. So select the file, new, part and OK. Now select the extrude, placement, define, sketch plane and sketch the part. OK. Now apply the thickness. OK. Now if you want to chamfer at the edges of this part, so first select the chamfer with this tool, and you can also select the chamfer with this type. OK. Now select the chamfer and then you can see this type of different dimension. D cross D means dimension both the side x and y are same, so you can apply only one dimension. D1 cross D2 means you can apply the x and y dimension different. Angle cross D means you can standard angle apply over here and distance. 45 cross D means 45 degree set automatic and distance value you can apply. Now you can select the anyone and then select the edges where you want to apply the chamfer. You can select the different edges with the help of a control. OK. Now you can apply the distance. And press OK. You can see the chamfer. OK. This is the simple tool of the chamfer. Now you want to round the edges of this part. So select the round, and you can also select the round in an insert menu. OK. This defines the set. In a set you can see the radius and reference. In a reference means edges where you want to apply the round. So first select the any one edges. OK. Now this define the 15 radius. If you want to apply the radius over here and over here different, please select the radius and you can apply the radius. You can modify the radius over here. OK. If you want to another add a radius at the center, so you can also select the add radius and please pick up and drag it where you want to require, and you can modify the dimension. OK. And you can press the OK. Now you can see the radius. OK. To understand the cell command, we can draw the another part. So open a new part, revolve, placement, define, front and sketch. Draw the geometry center line. Then press OK. Now you can see this is the total solid. Now we can apply the cell. So please select cell, and you can also select the cell in a insert. Apply the thickness. Okay. Now you can select the any one surface to open. This is. So this selected surface is removed from this material. And okay. Now you can easily see this is the hollow. Okay. Thank you.